Hello, greetings from Excentra Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, the following topics will be covered. In this video, we shall see how a transaction is made and how to make a payment. First, we'll select a customer, let's say Josefa. So we'll search for the customer. Select this. Now he has purchased 3 products, so you can scan those products or you can select on the search item button and search for those products. For this example, we shall do the item search and select any 3 products. So we click on this item search button, we select any 3 products, select this, then we select this and we'll select this. So these are the 3 products that this customer has purchased. Now as you can see here, there are various options like set quantity, void item, price override, line discount amount, line discount percent, item comment, and so on. Now let's say the customer has purchased 5 units of this product and you want to change the quantity. So we click on this set quantity button, we'll enter the quantity, so we'll enter 5 and click on OK. And here as you can see, the quantity has changed to 5. Now let's say due to some reason the customer decides and says that he does not want to purchase this product. So in such case, you can click on this void item button, and once you click on this void item button, the item would get voided and the line will turn red. Now if you want, you can also give the customer a discount on this specific product either in amount or in percentage by using this line discount amount and line discount percentage option. So let's say you want to give the discount of 2 KD to the customer on this product. So we'll click on this line discount amount, enter the discount amount, so we'll enter 2 and click on OK. And here as you can see, the line discount has been applied and is displayed on the screen, and the net amount has changed to 10 KD. Similarly, you can give the discount in percentage also. You also have the option of price override. Let's say if you want to increase the per unit price of this product, so we'll click on this price override option, and let's say you want to increase the price from 5 KD to 10 KD. So we'll enter 10 and click on OK. And as you can see, the per unit price of this product has changed to 10. So you can increase or decrease the price of the product as per your requirements by using this price override option. Then if you want to write any comments for any product, so you can use this item comment option. You can restrict the use of all these operations by giving managerial access, so that only those who have got the managerial access can operate these operations. So these were some of the operations that you can use while making a transaction. Now we shall see how to make a payment. You have various options to make a payment. You can make the payment by cash, by card. Then if the customer is a credit customer, you can make the payment by using the pay customer account also. In this case, we shall make the payment by cash and card. Let's say out of 60 KD, the customer wants to pay 5 KD by cash and 55 KD by card. So we'll click on cash. Here we'll enter 5 and click on OK. And here as you can see, the tender type is cash and the amount tendered is 5 KD and the balance is 55 KD. Now we'll click on card, and here as you can see, the balance amount would automatically get appeared. Now we'll select the card type. So we'll select, for this example we'll select Canet and we'll click on OK. And the receipt will automatically come out. This is the way you can make a transaction.